Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Today I'm going to be doing my weekly plan with me. I have a new setup. It doesn't look any different to you guys, I'm sure. I have a window that is over this direction, so the light's a little funky. I need to get my stand light to go over here to kind of balance it out. So I apologize, but I'm actually at a table. I have not filmed at a table in probably 2 or 3 years, and it's a permanent setup. I'm going to show you a little clip here of what it looks like, and I'm really excited because I can sit in a chair and do these now, which I haven't been able to do, like I said, in a very long time. So I have not planned a weekly plan with me since the end of, it's in the middle of July. So we are going to just kind of start over, and I'm just going to start here. With the month and all that good stuff. I am going to be using a kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs. This is her watermelon kit, and I have one of the extra sheets from the $2 Tuesday. I'm also going to be using this kit later this week on Wednesday in my Plum Paper Daily planner. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on that video either. So here are the different pages. I just love all the cute little deco. And then this is the extras. I'm also grabbing some coffee stickers. These are grandma stickers, and then some of the new script stickers for this. So let's get everything all set up. Let's do this, baby. Okay, so if you can hear my air conditioning, I apologize. It is hot. It's in the 90s, upper 90s here in Oklahoma, and just a warm day. It is August, so it just is what it is. I picked, which is kind of one of the reasons I picked the watermelon kit. I just think it's a perfect summery kit for warm weather, and yeah, I just thought it would be quite fitting. I'm just going to do my usual, put the bottom washi down, put the headers down, and all of that good stuff. This feels weird filming. I'm really excited to be filming again though. I have missed it so much. I didn't realize how much I missed it until I started filming videos again. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I love this, I love it, I love it. I can't believe I just stopped. So yeah, tomorrow is the 10th. Oh, August, which, oh my gosh, how is this? I know people say this all the time, but how is this year this far done? It does not make sense to me. I do not understand it. It's just literally crazy to me. But, yeah, the older you get, the faster they say time moves. How has your 2020 been? Let me know in the comments. Mine, if you've been following my vlogs, has been kind of crazy, but it has been a good year despite that. Oops. Get this down. so that is the base of it. Oh no, it's not. Now we get the fun parts. Putting in the full boxes. And I went backwards with the headers, and it's kind of funny because there's 7 of them. It's still lined up because I wanted to make it different. I am a white space planner, so who do I want? There's 2 of Simon. Maybe I'll save Simon. I think this one would be fun for Thursday. I only have 2 things planned, like fully planned for this week. It's just kind of how it happens, you know, just the way things are right now. Actually I have 3 because we had a plumbing issue yesterday, and so Monday we're having to deal with that. So that's no fun. Just add another thing to our crazy reno. I actually haven't done any of the reno in a couple weeks. Just it's been really hot and then just burnt out when you're doing it yourself. If you've ever done a renovation, you will totally understand what I mean. Should be green though, but the only green one is this one. Maybe I'll move this one over. I think I am. It's a great thing about Sweet Kawaii Design is her stickers are removable. So it makes it a little easier. But if you ever want a sticker to give it a little that's not removable, just get it a little dirty on the back of your hand and it will not stick as well. It'll still stick amazingly later, but it'll give you a little more give to play around with them. Okay, which should be my last one? I already have Simon. Maybe we need to put Boo. Bo. I need Bo. Wish Poe is in here. I love Poe. Make sure I'm in frame. If I'm ever out of frame during this, I'm sorry. Okay. Now. Okay, so Monday, like I said, I wanted to do coffee. Just because it's a fun to do like Coffee Monday. Then we need to, I'm going to use a bigger one because it's kind of like a big project. Work on the plumbing. Tuesday, Tuesday I'm gonna do grocery pickup. Usually do it Mondays, but we went to the grocery store mid-week last week, so don't quite need to. I think can hold off for another day. There we go. A Wednesday, I don't have anything planned. Thursday, I'm taking my nephew to a doctor's appointment. Nope, I don't want to use that one after all. So, nope. I'm going to do this. This one. What stickers do she have? Nothing really. Maybe just this one. I like that. Saturday we are going to the drive-in, which I'm really excited. I have not been to a drive-in since I was like a kid. Like, we're talking back in the 80s kind of thing. Actually, it's probably more like the 90s, but still. Long time, because in California they got rid of them all. And I'm super excited to go to that. So we're just doing some little TV instead. And then on Sunday is the day we call my grandma in the morning. It's kind of just like a tradition because we used to take her to church, and then when we moved, we started calling her to like wake her up for church, even though she's not going to church right now. So I'm just gonna use this to grow with his granny right there. Okay, so this is how it looks before the pen. If you want to see how it turned out, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @butterflyplanner. And if you want to see how I use this kit in my daily planner, the leftovers, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.